The next step after we have created that empty course ready to be loaded with a pearl of information and content for your students is we want to load a course template. Now, you might get a template from Course Commons or from Teachers Pay Teachers. You can even buy one from Canvas. We're going to use one that I created for my district. So let's go here. And so what we want to do is we want to import it from Commons. Okay, so over here on the right, it says import from Commons. Click there. And then we're going to find our resource. Okay. Now, if you are in your school district and your school district has put one out there, go here to filter. And this is a funny place for it, but we're going to go way down at the bottom. And here it will be if your district has given you if they've paid for this function of having a Commons just for their district. And so here I'm Lebanon Community Schools. I'm going to filter it, and right here in this very first one, this is our course template, so I'm going to click it. Okay, now this is one template to rule them all, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to download it. I don't need to look for one that is specific for my grade level, and then I'm going to find where I just put that course template. I'm sorry, course, that empty course shell. So where it says Science Grade 7, that's where I click, because I'm going to import it into that. Remember, tip, never import a full course into a live course. Always do it into a sandbox or shell course so that you don't mess up the settings. And finally, I'm going to click import into course. It says right here you have successfully started to import. It'll take a little while. Our template is very small, and so it should already be there. I'm going to click over and go to that course, Science Grade 7. And it hasn't shown up yet, so let's refresh. Working on it. There it is. Okay, so it's starting to import in here. We'll pick up the next video with walking through what's available in this particular template.